Best tuning and waxing kit pad comparison. Snowboard tuning and waxing are essential for maintaining optimal performance on the slopes. A well-tuned board ensures smoother rides, better control, and longer equipment lifespan, making tuning kits indispensable for both casual riders and professionals. To provide a detailed comparison, the Demon Complete Basic Tune Kit is a well-rounded option for snowboarders seeking a reliable all-in-one solution. Priced at $78.21, this kit includes a flat file, edge tuner, wax scraper, tuning stone, wire brush, all-season wax, adjustable temperature iron, polish pad, P-Tech sticks, and a durable carry case. The standout feature is the adjustable temperature iron, which supports 110 volts to 220 volts for travel convenience. The wax is made in the USA and free from PFCs, ensuring eco-friendliness without compromising performance. In terms of performance, this kit delivers consistent results across various snow conditions, thanks to the high-grade wax and versatile tools. The carry case is particularly robust, offering excellent storage and portability. However, while the kit is sufficient for basic tuning, it lacks advanced features like multi-angle edge tuners or temperature-specific waxes found in higher-end models. It's best suited for casual snowboarders or those new to tuning. List number 2, priced at $96.34, the Demon Complete Ski Tune Kit builds upon the basic kit by adding a comprehensive brush set and improved edge tuning capabilities. It includes brass, nylon, and horsehair brushes for thorough cleaning and waxing, along with an adjustable temperature iron and high-grade all-season wax. The kit also features a vertically hangable carry case for convenient storage and access. This kit excels in precision tuning, thanks to the multi-brush system and well-designed edge tuner. The brushes allow for detailed cleaning and wax removal, ensuring a polished finish. The adjustable iron performs reliably, and the included wax works well across seasons. However, the higher price point may not appeal to budget-conscious users, and it still lacks temperature-specific wax options for more advanced tuning. List 3. The Outdoor Master Ski Snowboard Tuning and Waxing Kit is the premium option in this comparison, priced at $149.99. It stands out with a complete cleaning and waxing kit, including sanding blocks, diamond polishing discs, multi-angle edge tuner, 86 degrees to 89 degrees, temperature-specific waxes, blue, red, yellow, and a powerful 800-watt iron with a thick sole plate. The storage bag is spacious and includes additional accessories like ski brake retainers and binding screws. This kit is ideal for advanced users who demand precision and versatility. The multi-angle edge tuner allows for meticulous edge sharpening, while the temperature-specific waxes cater to varying snow conditions. The iron heats quickly and distributes wax evenly, ensuring professional-grade results. However, the premium price may deter casual users, and its complexity might overwhelm beginners. List 4. The Skyfab Ski Snowboard Wax Kit, priced at $82.99. offers a solid balance between affordability and functionality. It includes 16 tools such as multi-angle edge tuners, 86 degrees to 89 degrees, cleaning brushes, all-temperature wax, and a temperature-adjustable iron. The ergonomic design of the edge tuner enhances precision, while the included P-Tech sticks and metal scraper simplify base repairs. This kit performs admirably for intermediate users, offering reliable tuning and waxing capabilities. The all-temperature wax works across most conditions, though it lacks the specificity of temperature-specific waxes. The storage bag is lightweight and compact, making it travel-friendly. However, the iron sole plate could benefit from better heat distribution, and the absence of advanced cleaning tools limits its appeal for professionals. List 5. As the budget option at $59.99, the Anchom Ski Snowboard Tuning Kit provides remarkable value for its price. It includes a wax iron, training wax, multi-angle edge tuner, 87 degrees to 90 degrees, P-Tech sticks, brushes, sandpaper, buff pads, and a durable carry bag. The iron supports dual voltage modes, making it suitable for international use. This kit is best suited for beginners or occasional users who need a cost-effective solution. While it covers all basic tuning needs, the tools are less durable compared to premium models, and the wax is limited to general snow temperatures. Advanced users may find the edge tuner less precise and the accessories somewhat lacking in quality.